The weather certainly has changed. Wet and yucky. What brings us out in this weather? It's our anniversary. 20 years. So we're celebrating by eating out here at the Cheesecake Factory. And look at the art. Coffee. This is a two-hander.
Oh my God, Debbie, you're so good with self-control. Hey,
I got the turkey burger. Zacchaeum has a big ass burrito. They have something. And they have something too. Look at the cheesecake. Cheesecake. The weather has turned very frightful. Winter has shown up again. It's very slick. I don't know where they're going. Snow. This snow that's not supposed to accumulate, but it did.
I'm doing that thing people do when it's really cold outside.
It's still coming down.